Hi there guys, I've done a few videos on multiplying out brackets. This video is all about multiplying out 3 sets of brackets. These are your harder IGCSE questions. These can turn up. Now I'm going to do this one by just picking one bracket and then saying cube that thing. So let's do, I don't know, let's do x, make it a bit nasty. Okay, so let's do x minus 2 and then let's do cubed. So that means x minus 2, x minus 2, and then x minus 2. Okay, so it's, like if you did 5 cubed, that would be equal to 5 times by 5 times by 5. Of course, we have some hidden signs here as well. So we're just saying the thing times by itself again. Okay, so where we're going to start here is, well, BidMaths would tell us to do the brackets first, but you can't simplify x minus 2. So we're going to times 2 of the brackets together and see where we get. So timesing 2 of the brackets together, I'm just going to do a little bit of working out aside. You can always do this on your exam paper. X minus 2 times x minus 2. And then I know that that gives me the first 2 times together. And then these 2 times together, so we think minus 2x. And then minus 2x there as well. Plus 4. Okay, for most people at this stage, this should be fairly straightforward. Okay, so there's all of that. Take that back a bit. See how far we can go. Yeah, okay, right. So we've got there x squared minus 4x and plus 4. We're going to times that by x minus 2. Now, we can deal with this in a little bit of the same way as we dealt with FOIL. So we can do the first times the first times the second, the first time times the third, and then we can do the same thing with the other ones as well. So we've got the minus 2 times by the first, then times by the second, then times by the third. Okay, now I've got a decent way of laying this one out, so I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do x squared minus 4x and then plus 4 on the end, and then I'm going to put x minus 2 here. Put times there. So I know that I'm going to get 6 terms here. I'm going to get 6, that's the 3 loops for the 3 blue loops there and the 3 green loops. I know I'm going to get 6 terms, but I'm definitely going to get 6 terms here when I times each of the 2 things on the side by the 3 things on the top. So it's just a different way of organizing it. So x times by x squared, x cubed, x times by minus 4x, that's minus 4x squared, and then x times by 4x, you should be able to do this by now, minus 2 times by x squared, minus 2x squared, and we're getting minus 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Oh, no, that's wrong. Minus times minus, brings us back to plus 8, and it's just one x involved there, and then no x is involved here, minus 2 times by 4, so that's minus 8. Okay, right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add along my diagonals. Okay, so I'm going to add along these diagonals here. So we can see that we've got x cubed in the first one. Now I've got minus 2x and minus 2x squared and minus 4x squared for the second diagonal. So that's a total of minus 6x squared. And I've got 8x and 4x in my third diagonal, which is 12x. And then we've got minus 8 at the end as well. Okay, right. There we go, that's done. That's how I'd approach it. Now, if you want a bit of an investigation, there's some nice maths which leads on from this. If we did, say, for example, a plus b squared, and then a plus b cubed, and then maybe you could do a plus b to the power of 4, you should start spotting a pattern. Okay, so if you spend some time doing that, that will lead to some quite interesting mathematics. Right, okay, there we go, well, that's done. Thanks for listening in. And there's actually some good exercises on Corbett Maths for this one, okay? So they do expanding 3 brackets. So here we go. On Corbett Maths, they do expanding 3 brackets. There's a video for that, another video. there's some practice questions, and if you search on clicking for answers, then you can search for that exercise and you'll get the answers as well. Okay, thanks for listening in, guys, and the exercise just popped up. Thanks for listening in, and hope to see you later.